Officer, for that wonderfully engaging and insightful narration of our honors lives and their accomplishments in the fire service. Your recounting truly highlighted the dedication and sacrifices made a vital role within the organization. To formally read the retirement order, may we call on SFO4 Maria Teresa S. Paderanga, Officer in Charge, Human Resource Management Section. Ma'am. Around the applause.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sirs. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection National Headquarters, Senator Miriam P. Defensor, Santiago Avenue, Barangay Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City. Special Order Number RET-2024-016, dated 18 March 2024. Compulsory Retirement. Pursuant to Section 39 of Republic Act 6975, otherwise known as DILG Act of 1990, the following DFP officers/personnel, upon attaining the age of 56, shall be compulsorily retired from the Bureau of Fire Protection, effective on the dates indicated to it. SF04 Gultia Gavino Arnel Ramos, date of light duty status 16 June 2025. Date of retirement 16 October 2025 with 5 long pay and a salary grade of 22. SF04 Ligid Perfecto Ito, date of light duty status 22 June 2025. Date of retirement 22 October 2025 with 5 long pay and salary grade of 22. SF04 Kait Rolito Jose Guadalquiver, date of light duty status 22 June 2025. Date of retirement 22 October 2025 with 5 long pay and salary grade of 22. SF03 Dagumbal Angelito Abastas, date of light duty status 25 June 2025. Date of retirement 25 October 2025 with 5 long pay and salary grade of 19. The above named personnel shall be placed on light duty status at HSS BFP National Headquarters or equivalent units in the regional offices 4 months prior to the effective dates of their retirement. Those who have rendered at least 1 year of active service in permanent grade are entitled to retire 1 salary grade higher. By command of the Chief DFP, signed Manuel Emanuel, Fire Chief Superintendent TSC BFP, Acting Chief Territorial Staff. Thank you and congratulations, ma'am and sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for officially declaring this milestone in our honors journey. At this juncture, to give his heartfelt message for our retirees, please help me welcome our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Fabio, sir.
Please take your seats. So, my Regional Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Cabot, Regional Director for Operation, Senior Superintendent Sabanya, and also my Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent and also the Chief Admin, Chief Inspector Carriedo, other key officers, other senior commission officers, non-commission officers, guests. Good afternoon. So, retirement often focus on the new beginnings, freedoms and adventures ahead, while others humorously point out the endless nature of the new work-life balance. Common themes includes enjoying life at your own pace, pursuing passions, and embracing a new chapter. Yun daw ang focus sa retirement. So others says, retirement is not the end of the road. It is the beginning of the open highway. Kasi wala nang restrictions. And the trouble with retirement is that you never get a day off. Day off. At to the family, iyong-iyo na ang iyong asawa. So, we're happy that you reach this end sa inyong career and you start with the new chapter of your life. Only it is unknown because you no longer have to have the goal of reaching at the age of 56, but your goal now is to live in eternity para bawi talaga sa pension ng gobyerno. So long as you live, you have a pension. So you live in eternity para malaki-laki naman ang bawi niyo. Kasi matagal na iniwanan ng family for your services. So, in behalf of the BNP Region 10, men and women, we would like to extend our congratulations for your graduation in the service. Happy retirement to SIPO for Inspector Kai, Inspector Gulja, Inspector Ligid, and SIPO for Kaginban. So, congratulations, and may this retirement give fullness of your life. Enjoy every moment of it dahil ito na yung wala ng katapusan or unknown na journey and the new chapter sa inyong life. Congratulations sa inyo.
Thank you, sir, for that very inspiring message.